Darlod, what are you doing out here? People can see you.
Hey, cousin. Well, I ran out of whiteboard space, and so I wrote on all the walls, and now
You're not supposed to come out of the closet, man.
there's lots of questions. The people are frequently asking questions, very frequently,
got
about
a
the
point
Rogue.
there.
I'm doing the science, man. I'm doing the science.
Yeah, I've heard the questions too. Okay, well, I'll get you more whiteboards, and I can't have you out where people can see you, man. Nobody knows about you yet. You're the secret weapon, man.
Well, if you just let me finish the science, I can answer the questions that come in frequently, the dings and the dongs. You've had to have seen all the questions.
Okay, you get me the results. Tell me what you find.
Science.
Answer the questions. I gotta go
Answer
do
the
boat
science.
stuff. You do the science thing, man.
I got you.
I believe in you.
I've got it covered, cousin. Don't you worry. No one will see me.
Well, hi there, nice to meet you. Darlod Wooldridge, cousin of Grant Wooldridge, 62 years, MBA in super science, mathematical equational. I'm the science guy they keep hidden in the room. I can't show you where the room is at, it's top secret. But anyhow, you guys are sending questions, you're sending them frequently, so we're gonna answer the frequently asked questions. Come with us to the water and in the field, and we're gonna go see what happens. Darlod Wooldridge signing out. Wooldridge FAQs.